about the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and its impact on your accounting or finance career? Do you worry that you might not have the necessary AI skills to stay competitive? Are you looking for a way to demystify generative AI and harness its power to drive better business outcomes? If so, then Generative AI for Management Accountants is the course for you. In this course, you'll follow the transformative journey of Innovex Global, a multinational corporation as they navigate the world of generative AI. From understanding the foundations of AI and machine learning to implementing generative AI models, you learn alongside the Innovex Global Finance team. Through this immersive storyline, you'll discover how generative AI can enhance financial forecasting, risk assessment, fraud detection, and automate repetitive accounting tasks. Gain practical insights into preparing and pre-processing data, selecting the right models, and ensuring the ethical use of generative AI in your organization. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to confidently embrace the era of AI-driven finance. You will no longer fear the impact of AI on your career. Instead, you'll be ready to leverage AI for better business outcomes. So enroll now in Generative AI for Management Accountants and unlock the potential of artificial intelligence in accounting and finance. I'm your instructor, Nathan Liao, and this is CPE Flow.